if you go to your dashboard and scroll down to theme options, and then go to should be in header, you get a load of options for that theme. Just wait for it to load. While it's doing that, I'm going to right click on this and I'm going to open the view site in a new tab, just so that we can see that we've got that icon there, Health Coach. So go down here, see we've got logo size, and somewhere there it usually is there. Okay, so to general. It's a bit weird. Logo should be on there. It's in the default, that's why. You've got a header, then you've got default. And you've also got transparent sub-menus. You can put logos in other places as well, by the looks of it. But let's go to default, and let's do upload. And select a file. So let's go to downloads, temp, and here we should see that logo that I put in. What it's going to do is going to put it in the size that we created it in. So we can select that and then do save changes. And we can then see what that's going to look like. So if I go to this page now and do a refresh, we have a new logo. So we could, if we wanted to, if we went back to here, if we wanted to do upload again, we could just select that. We can go to edit image in here, and at that point you can actually change the size of the logo. So say I wanted to, I mean it will scale it as well so it doesn't go all skewy, but let's just say we wanted it at 90, reduce it slightly. It says image saved there. Some of the things you can do in here, which we'll come to later, you have to save it with this button save, but this one, the scale, does it automatically. And if I then click on update, shouldn't really have taken me into that screen. So but if I go back into here, do upload again, it should show the new size. So it's not showing the new size. Let's select it anyway. Save changes. Okay, I can't even see. I can't see that that's actually changed the size, but it'll be using a link to it. So I could in fact go to media here. See that screen it opened there? It usually opens that on top of the window that you're in. But I'm going to come out of that one. I'm going to go to media library. So I'm actually in media library itself. I'm going to click on there. Okay, there you see it is at 90, as you can see. Is actually at 90. So if I go back to theme options, header, there is a chance that it's forward, but it is actually, but this is, it has reduced it, and just, it's just such a small reduction that we can't see it. But these are the sort of things you've got to look out for. So again, we can just go and upload in the file, but we're going to select that one. Yeah, it is definitely 90 though. So it just hadn't updated in that screen. Sometimes you have to do some refreshes like that. and I'm guessing that this should be the one that's plenty. Yeah, so it did reduce it anyway. So that's how we do that with an icon. The transparent logo, that's probably because we're going to float it over something. But when you create this logo anyway, it creates it as transparent. So I'm hoping that it should just, we won't need to use this transparent section. But we'll see about that when we come to do that. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go and create a page and put something on it. So that'll be in the next video.